Hi, and welcome to the Mirka workshop. Today I'm going to show you how to use the remote control for your Mirka DEXOS 1217 dust extractor. This remote control allows for Bluetooth connectivity between the remote and the dust extractor, enabling you to start the extractor remotely. It is compatible with the Mirka DEXOS 1217 and the dust extractor 1125L. The remote control should be attached securely around the dust hose, close to your power tool. It senses vibration from the tool and can start the dust extractor. In auto sense mode, the tool can trigger the extractor when connected to electric tools, pneumatic tools, and battery tools. For hand tools and cleaning with a hose, manual mode can be used. There are two different operating modes for the remote control. Auto sense, where the dust extractor starts automatically when vibrations are produced by the tool, and manual, where you can manually turn the dust extractor on and off using the button on the remote. The rubber strap length is optimized for Mirka hoses, ensuring a secure fit. The remote control is a good addition to your workshop. When connected to the DEXOS 1217M, the LED indicator flashes red if the suction flow is not sufficient. It has a Bluetooth range of up to 20 meters, so there's no need for an expensive pneumatic box. The remote control allows for automatic on-off functionality when using pneumatic air tools, ensuring that the vacuum is only active while the tool is running and turns off shortly after the tool stops to clear the hose. To connect the remote control, make sure that the dust extractor is powered on and the remote control is within range. On the dust extractor, press and hold the Bluetooth button for 5 seconds until the LED starts flashing. Then, press and hold the power button on the remote control for 5 seconds to initiate the pairing mode for the remote control. The LED on the remote will flash blue to indicate it is in pairing mode. Once the remote control and the dust extractor are paired, the LED will stop flashing and remain solid. Use the on-off button on the remote control to manually control the dust extractor. For auto sense mode, ensure that the remote control is strapped securely around the dust hose, close to the tool. It will automatically sense vibrations and start the dust extractor. The LED on the remote control will flash red if the suction flow is not sufficient, indicating something may be stuck in the suction line. With these simple steps and functionalities, you can efficiently control your Mirka DEXOS 1217M dust extractor remotely, making your work easier and more convenient. Thanks for watching. Tune back in for more tips and tricks at the Mirka workshop.